Dr. Donald Hohman, orthopedic surgeon with the Texas Orthopedic Associates in Dallas, Texas. I'm a board-certified, fellowship-trained joint replacement surgeon. I specialize in joint replacements of the hip and the knee. So when it comes to the replacement operations for knee surgery, there are several options. There are lesser options, which would include potentially a partial knee replacement if somebody was a candidate. You can do that in the inside portion of the knee. You can do that in the outside portion of the knee. You can even consider a partial knee replacement in the patellofemoral compartment or the kneecap compartment of the knee. As far as an overview of knee surgery, those would be sort of the lesser of the procedures that I do. People that are wearing out the entire surface of the knee joint, those are candidates for total knee replacement, which is where we resurface all of the compartments of the knee in that single surgical setting.